Bending moment occurs when a force is applied at a given distance away from a point of reference. Rotation represents the movement of the humerus when an arm flexed to 90 degrees at the elbow is rotated around. Stretching is a physical exercise that requires putting a body part in a certain position. Balancing and rotation training can be defined as a training aimed at improving postural control. Perform more intense exercise. Balancing training can give you an aerobic workout.